Hello students, welcome to the e-education platform of Pathshala. Today we are going to study about chapter 14, that is electric current and its effect. It's a chapter of class 7 science. Now in this chapter the topics that we are going to cover are, first of all we are going to understand about what are the different symbols of electric components. Right now we know there are different electric components like bulb, wire, switches. So how they are represented in the symbolic form, that we are going to understand. After that we'll move to our next topic, that is battery. So what is battery? Then about what is like how electric circuit diagrams are made using the symbols. After that we are going to understand about the heating effect of electric current, and on that some devices also work. So we are going to understand the working of fuse on the basis of heating effect. After that we are going to understand about magnetic effect of electric current, and here also after this topic we are going to understand about a device which is electric bell, which works on the principle of magnetic effect. So these are the topics that we are going to understand in this chapter. Now let's start our chapter. So first of all, let's recap what are the different things you have studied in your 6th class. That is, first of all, what is electricity? Now what is electricity? Electricity is basically the flow of charges. Here basically you use the term electricity, electric current. So here you can understand that these both terms are exactly the same. Electricity is also flow of electric current, and flow of charges, and electric current is also flow of charges, right? So that is how you define electricity. Now after that you have studied electric current also. If we say that both the terms are not totally different and also not exactly same, electric current is flow of charges, and in your last class also you have studied that what are charges. There are two types of charges. First one is charges. There are two types of charges. First one is positive charge, and the second one is negative charge. The positive charge are basically known as cations, and the negative charges are known as anions. So that is how we have already studied this in 6th class. So what are the different kind of charges? Now when the charges flow, that represent electric current in a circuit. After that we have understood the concept of electric circuit, right? In electric circuit, you know that what is electric circuit? That is, it is the path from which the electricity flows. Here you have understood the concept, that is the circuits basically are of two types. First one is closed circuits and the second one is open circuit. So when we'll say the circuit is closed or when we'll say the circuit is open, here when you'll draw the circuits, like in your 6th class also you have seen that how you draw the circuits. You'll arrange a cell, you join a cell there, right? Then the cell is connected to a bulb. After that it is connected to a switch. In that case you have drawn the circuits like this. Now if your switch is in off position, that is there is no flow of charges or the connection is broken, in that case what will say? The circuit is open when the switch is in off condition, right? Now but when the switch is on, that is like this, in this what will happen? The connection is complete. Now the positive terminal of the cell is connected to the negative terminal and the connection is complete, and in this case the flow of charges will take place, the bulb will glow, and hence the circuit is complete, and this type of circuits are known as closed circuits. So this you have already studied in your 6th class. What is the other topic that you need to understand is the components. So what are the different components that we use in the circuit? First of all, it is a cell, right? Second, bulb. Third one is a switch. Then these lines represent the wires. So these are the different components which are which are used to make your circuits, and that is how the work is done in the circuits. So these were the topics that you have already understood in your class 6. Now we'll move to the other things which you need to understand in your class 7th.